Hello guys, and mama tonight. Let me turn off my fan. Ow, my oh, people walk by, never see me talking to a computer. That's truly um marriage mess and check that out. That makes so weird. I'm fine. Anyways, me and my friend are seeing how many how do you pronounce this? Ben Weevil ass account we can get banned, and so far, it's not working. I'm trying. I'm trying. Don't ask. No one asked. Anyway, someone want to be buried? No, fuck off. Burn in hell. Wait. This is, oh my god, that's all I can say. Let's see if I refresh the page if my account should be banned, because I want to see. So fucking weird. Yes, I do have candy boxes around me, don't ask. I'm a pig. Yes, I did. Oops, sorry, I'm not coming over. What? What's the pig? Okay, never mind. Is there any music on this? No. Yes, no. That's wonderful. How long does it take? Wow. Also, that should go with my MS Paint. My little circle ass head thing. Did I just say that though? I think the TV just said that. Shook. Anyways. Oh my god, how long does this take to load? Animal Jam is even better than this. I cannot wait for this to load. I think I got it banned. Nice. I bet I can go get a snack, and by the time I come back, it's still be loading. That's nice. It's burning in here. I want my fan. I think my studying the way you spell it. Yeah. Yeah. And oh my god, I fucking swear, last time I tried filming with Screencast-O-Matic, all the the audio just got like completely broken and it sucked. Excuse me, and yeah. So if that happens again, then I am going to be screwed. Is this still loading? Oh my god! I'm like losing my. Oh yeah, that's my username. Add me. Please don't. This game is crap. I don't know. Anyway. I'm losing my fucking sanity. Okay. Nothing. Ooh, stick. I don't know why there's a little twig thing in here. I can break it, and I can also throw it. Goodbye. This is gonna take up all my recording time, because the max I can record is 15 minutes on Screencast-O-Matic, and it's gonna take up all the fucking time. Seriously, Ben Weevil. It sounded so serious. Oh, and a car just passed by, and they probably thought I'm talking to myself. Technically, I am. What's that? Okay, there's nothing. Whenever I hear like something like that, I always think it's a tornado alarm. Or yeah, I just think it's a tornado alarm, and I freak out because I hate tornadoes. Okay, I'm just like listening for that. What the fuck is that? Let's see, my account was banned. What? It was not 11. Or I'm confused. It is fucking 6 o'clock. Chat says okay. That's nice. Kid safety, but you're allowed to say. Never mind. That's too much. But you're allowed to say some stuff you're not supposed to be able to say. I'm just walking. Oh, never mind. Oh, never mind. Still being a little shit. Is my sanity. Yay. 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 My hands are now. Sorry that my voice sounds dead. I guess. You know. So I oh my god, what? Oh my god, I thought that was my parents. And I was freaked out. But it wasn't. Just a random black truck passing by. I need to throw something real quick. I'm sorry, my baby. I'm so sorry. You poor child. You poor wolf watching. You didn't deserve that. You deserved a better life.